Hey, what's up? This is Collins here. I'm going to review 2 airsoft today. The first one is the high-level police gun, made in China. So, right here, it's right here. Here they like the para ordnance, and this one is another one. I bought 2 of them. So, these are the clips. And, hold on, I'm just gonna put the clip back to the guns. Okay, so the second one I'm gonna show you, the last one is, it's R838A 6mm airsoft gun. Laser and light. So this is the gun, and it's pretty much inside. So this. Okay, so if you are wondering what is this thing, actually, there's one button here that makes it look fake. So maybe this one look more fake, but it's look unique. So take this from a useless airsoft and stick it right here. Also another side, and this is the laser. I have 2 of these. One doesn't include battery, so I'm probably giving away this later. So I'm gonna fix the laser. So I'm gonna put the laser like this. I don't want to put like this, because if you see in the picture it probably looks nice, but in the normal one it looks really like what the heck. So I put this in this way. It pretty looks a little bit better, but this is the normal one. And also it has a working laser. Oh, so you have one paper here. I take it out. So actually this gun is very old. I haven't shown you because for some reason I don't have any time to create the airsoft video. I want to create some keychains. So it's a working laser. You see this blue light and a little red here is the laser. So I'm going to show you right here. You can see the blue light and the laser. The laser is pretty small. And this is the gun. So it pretty shoots normal. Here's the clip. It's pretty much bigger than the high level police gun, and this gun is pretty heavy. So the laser I tested shoot does not hit the right place. So this laser either puts for fun, don't use it, and then you can use the aim. The aim is pretty sharp, very sharp, and yeah, it's pretty nice. And also I'm going to show you one technique for this gun. So we're using a Kimbo. I learned this from Freddy, if you know. Go check it, the exclusive command video. So what is actually when you hold it and you put it correctly the same and pull your gun, so it will both pull up like this. And although this one is like pull up this together, but you must have a strength and not a making China like that because I tested and it's really hard because it sucks. It's plastic and it's made in China. So thanks for watching. See you next time in other videos. Bye.